longer than we did. So, all right. So let's jump into this, and you'll see this is not terribly difficult. The mid segment of a triangle is a segment connecting the midpoints and of the two sides of a triangle. Okay, so midpoints connecting creates a mid segment. An example here that DE is a mid segment of that particular triangle. Out of that, if a segment joins the midpoints of two sides of a triangle, then the segment is parallel to the third side and half as long. Midway, halfway, right? Midpoint, halfway. Mid segment, halfway. So for this particular diagram, DE is the mid segment of triangle ABC. Then we know that DE is parallel to what? AC. And then we also know that the length of DE is how much of the length of AC? Half. So we can create an equation. Or we could use, there's an alternative equation that you can do, 2 times DE equals AC. And both work the same way mathematically, so you choose which way you want to set them up, and we'll go from there. So really easy idea with mid segments. So half the length of the side that they don't touch. Okay. All right, let's look at some examples. Identify all pairs of parallel segments. XY, let's just start there. We'll just pick somewhere to start. Is parallel to what? QS. And the reason we know that is because we know XY is a mid segment because of the notation here. This is congruent, so that means X is the midpoint of that side. This is congruent, so Y is the midpoint of this side. So anytime it's a mid segment, it has to be parallel. Same thing happening here. What about, let's go around the triangle, WY. QR. And then the last side, WX. RS or SR, whichever way you want to name it there. Okay. Easy thing to do there, right? Mid segment parallel to the side that it does not intersect. Number 2 is the same kind of problem. I don't see any need to do it. I mean, that's just pairs. That's not a big deal. So look at number 3. If L, M, and N are midpoints of the sides of triangle PQR, PR is 46, PQ is 40, and LN is 17. Find each measure. So PR is 46, PQ is 40, and LN is 17. They want us to find all these other pieces. So LM